left side, right side is for this one for gear.
Yeah.
You see, it's not one, but because steering on the right hand side is your control, and then the brake is here on the side. Petrol station. And after again, I will show you another petrol station.
So there's plenty.
Yeah, I think so. It's no petrol station. The old one is the father, and the young one is the king, or this one is the son of this guy. And this is the, I think prime minister or president of Dubai. The pulses, the food, and everything are expensive.
Yeah. No, 100%.
And Dubai is very beautiful city. I like it.
It is.
So we've made it now to the Marina in another part of Dubai. And yeah, we're gonna walk now to the Marina, and then we're gonna head off to the palms and the beach for the day. So yeah, out of the city that we need to explore. Completely different side of Dubai. We took about a 24-minute taxi drive now. The roads are hectic, busy. But this is like the small side of Dubai, and even this is bigger than Cape Town.
How's it, guys? So today we are in the marina, slightly outside, but everywhere you go here it's city. Quite cool. We're heading to the beach now. Take a nice swim and just take it easy. Oh, it's beautiful here everywhere you go. Might take a boat ride later, see how it goes. Take it as it comes, spontaneous. We've been very spontaneous since we've been here.
Yeah. tonight we're going to try and go take a nice little dip somewhere and cool off for the day, and then we'll take it from there. But it's really hot today, really hot today.
Now we could take it.
So we finally made it to the beach. Look at this, finally made it to the beach. There we go. Joe, look at. Home sweet home.
Home sweet home, yeah.
How many days you are?
We go back Monday.
So it's